Young cabbage salad is the perfect addition to a spring dinner. It looks good and tastes great. It only takes a few minutes to prepare, but you can find the full list of ingredients in the description under the video. We need half a head of young cabbage, grate one medium carrot on a coarse grater, then grate half an apple on the same grater and add a small piece of chopped leek. If you don't have a leek, you can add a small onion. Then we prepare the sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a spoonful of cream, a teaspoon of mustard, a small handful of dill, and a spoonful of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Optionally, you can add a pinch of sugar, but I didn't. Pour the prepared sauce over the vegetables, add salt and pepper, and simply mix it all. The salad is ready to serve. Let me know in the comments what extras you add to your young cabbage salad. I will definitely take your advice. All the recipes can be found on my blog. I thank you for today. Take care. See you soon.